We'll practice creating and solving equations from a word problem. Here's the problem. A rectangle has a perimeter of 54 centimeters. Its length is 3 centimeters more than twice its width. We need to find the dimensions, then verify them. Let's picture it. Here's the rectangle with width w along the side and the length 2w plus 3 across the top. First, let the width be w. Then the length is 2w plus 3. The perimeter formula is 2 times width plus length. So we have 2 times w plus 2w plus 3 equals 54. Simplify inside the parentheses. W plus 2w is 3w, so 2 times 3w plus 3 equals 54. Distribute the 2. 2 times 3w is 6w, and 2 times 3 is 6, so 6w plus 6 equals 54. Subtract 6 from both sides. 6w equals 48. Divide both sides by 6. W equals 8 centimeters. Then length is 2 times 8 plus 3, which is 19 centimeters. Now check. 2 times 8 plus 19 equals 2 times 27, which is 54. That matches the given perimeter, so our answer is correct. When solving word problems to find variables, write an equation from the given information, solve step by step, and always verify your answer.